welcome to Awesome Physio YouTube channel. Today we're looking at how to foam roll the hamstring muscles. Foam roll the hamstrings, you're targeting 3 muscles attaching from the back of the knee up into your sitting bones. You want to start with the foam roller underneath the knee, gently lifting up with the upper body, and you're going to roll yourself forward, going through, so literally pushing yourself forward and then rolling it back. Good. And then rolling it back. So if you find a point that's particularly tender, you can hold in that position, wait for it to relax, and then continue. Good, and I would aim for about 10 to 15 rolls with the foam roller.